Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be fried chicken. Craving for a fried food? Fried chicken is the best, never miss food. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Separate the chicken wings into wings and drumstick. Cut the chicken breast into 3. Add in all the condiments into a bowl with the chicken. Add water until you can cover the chicken. Put them in the fridge for around 30 minutes. Let's prepare the batter. Add in all the batter condiments in a bowl. Add in the water slowly and stir till there is no more lumps. Set them aside in the fridge until the chicken is ready. After 30 minutes, remove the water and dry the chickens with paper towel. Stir the batter to make sure that there is no lumps. And that's all for the preparation, and the cooking begins. Add in 5 cups of oil or until you are able to cover the chickens in a wok. Once the oil is hot, add in the chickens while coating them in batter. Cook till golden brown at medium heat. Put them on paper towel to drain off the oil. Serve while it's hot. And let's eat. Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!